So that Adorn canvas, because I was so excited about it coming and I like Anna Dittman's work, so I reached out to Jade and I asked Jade if she could get the licensing for July. July is my husband's birthday, and we looked at the canvases, all of Anna Dittman's canvases that were out there, and this is my favorite. And as you can see, I've completed this part so far. So that's July by Anna Dittman, Jaded Gem Shop. It's hybrid charted, and I only got this one with AB and Glimmer. Charted, I also purchased it as a round rather than a square. It has 47 colors. It's 50 centimeters by 65 centimeters, and it has 52,000 round drills. And I spent 7 hours. Rounds work up a lot faster. And how I have July kitted up, I decided to purchase Forever Young. And this is how I have it. I really like this system. You can put it up against a wall and it sit up, or just, on your desk, have it like this. Or you can have it laying flat and you just grab and go. There is a little bit of static, but if you put the dryer sheets in, it's helpful. I like these. I have a couple of those. July. I was so thankful. Thank you, Jade, for getting licensing for me on this one. Cool. She responded right away, and I'm thankful and humbled.
Okay, so this is the latest update on where I stand with July by Anna Dittman. Today is December the 4th, and I have completed half of the canvas. I'm giving you a close-up look of how it appears today, how far I've gotten with it, and you can see on the left-hand side I've completed that half of the canvas, and I still have the right-hand side to go. Getting a little closer, you can see the rendering, and then of course the left-hand side are drills that have been placed. I really enjoy Jade's rounds, and I am pleased with the appearance. I think in the future I would probably get squares just because I think it would look even better. It's turning out beautiful. I hope you can see it okay, and I will get this finished next year in 2026 because I have Christmas canvases that I'm working on right now.